Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about common nouns. Let's get started. Okay, so a noun is a word used to identify people, places, or things. These nouns are called common nouns, or a noun is a word used to name a particular one of these, and that is called a proper noun. For example, in the sentence, you can buy coffee at Starbucks. Coffee is a common noun. It is a word used to identify a thing. Starbucks, on the other hand, is a proper noun because it is used to identify a particular place. Now, a common noun is a noun showing a class of objects or a concept as opposed to a particular individual. For example, there was a sofa, two chairs, and a wardrobe in the room. Note that the common nouns are general names. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. For example, capitals of the countries are usually very large. The word capital is at the beginning of a sentence, so it's capitalized. And in this sentence, London is the capital of Great Britain. The word capital is not capitalized. Now, when we add s to a noun, it becomes more than one or plural. For example, flower, flowers, dog, dogs. And nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch, x, z, or o, we add es to it so that we can make a plural or more than one. For example, bus, buses, watch, watches, box, boxes, potato, potatoes. And nouns ending in y change into I plus es when we want to make a plural. For example, baby, babies. And nouns ending in f or fe change into f, ve plus s to make a plural. For example, life, lives, wolf, wolves. But belief turns into beliefs. Chef turns into chefs. Now here are some nouns that are irregular. For example, the singular form of the word man is man. In the plural, men. Woman, women. Person, people. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Now let's practice a bit. As earlier mentioned, a common noun is a noun showing a class of objects or a concept as opposed to a particular individual. Now I want you to read the sentence, fruit and vegetables are good for you, and underline these nouns. Fruits, vegetables are the nouns. Now again, common nouns are general names. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence or are part of a title. I want you to read this sentence. Books can help you learn something, and underline these nouns. Books. Great. Now again, most of the time we add s to singular nouns to show more than one plural. What is the plural form of the word map? Maps. The word cake? Cakes. And if the singular form ends in s, ss, sh, ch, x, z, or o, add es to make it plural. More than one. The word sandwich? Sandwiches. Cross? Crosses. Fox? Foxes. Tomato? Tomatoes. And if the singular noun ends in y, again, change y into I and add es to make it plural. More than one. Try with the word here, lily. Lilies. And if the singular noun ends in f or fe, f is often changed into ve before adding s to make it plural. Try with the word wife. Wives. And calf? Calves. Okay, so some nouns do not follow any of the rules explained earlier. They are irregular. For example, a mouse is a small rodent. Try to make it plural in this following sentence. Mice can find their way into your house.